Good evening, dear friends. Yesterday, as the sun began to set, we sat down and painted this gentle landscape. The light was soft, the air was quiet, and though I didn't finish the piece, today I plan to return to it and complete the final touches. But this morning, something else captured my attention. A tree, a single tree, standing alone in the park. There was something sacred about it, something symbolic. Its branches stretched upward like arms reaching toward the sky, and in that moment, it reminded me of a menorah, a candle holder with elegant outstretched arms, ancient and full of meaning. So, together with the children, we stopped. I set up my easel, and we began to paint. This is the tree you see here. It's not just about painting what you see, but about what the image evokes. The emotions, the stories, the connections. That's what drew me to this tree. Let me show you how I begin a painting like this, how to capture a scene quickly, without overthinking. First, I take my phone and photograph the subject. A few good shots are enough. No need for complicated viewfinders or framing with your hands. The camera helps fix the composition right away. Then I use the photograph as my guide. On the canvas, I mark the shape of the trunk, the spread of the branches, the basic silhouette. One important thing to remember when painting landscapes: the horizon line. Never place it right in the center of your canvas. Always slightly above or below the middle. This gives the painting balance and character. In this piece, the horizon is low. That helps the tree stand tall and majestic. Once the main structure is laid out, I begin working on the smaller branches, the background, the spaces between things, the places where the light shines through. I may later add a little dog resting beneath the tree, or perhaps a scattering of fallen leaves. But not today. It's spring after all, and spring calls for bright, tender grass, full of life and promise. And now, we begin. Welcome, dear viewers and subscribers. Today, we're going to paint this tree. Not a forest, not a grove, just a single, remarkable tree. One tree, one canvas, one moment of stillness. Let's paint together.